How do you do it?
The top button.
Press the
yeah,
button.
press it and just suck. So.
That was a little hit.
Yeah, you kind of
take
got
a big one, right?
Let it warm up a little bit. Let it. Yeah, press
There
the
you go.
button and then there you go. It's
it's
crackling.
crackling.
Yeah, go. There you go.
You get
That's
that
bad,
first
that's
hit, and you're
bad.
like,
So there
so
was
relaxing. And then after that, you never get that again.